Changing your bank account on Crypto.com is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To get started, log into your Crypto.com account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. In the Account Settings section, click on the Payment Methods option, which will take you to a page where you can view and manage your linked bank accounts. To change your bank account, click on the Add or Edit Payment Method button. Then select the Bank Account option. You will be prompted to enter your new bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and account type. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any errors or delays. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Confirm button to proceed. Crypto.com will then verify your new bank account details to ensure that they are correct and valid. This may take a few minutes, so be patient and wait for the verification process to complete. Once your new bank account is verified, you will receive a confirmation message, and your new bank account will be linked to your Crypto.com account. It is essential to note that changing your bank account on Crypto.com may affect your existing transactions, such as deposits and withdrawals. Therefore, it is recommended that you check your transaction history and ensure that all pending transactions are completed before making any changes to your bank account. In addition, make sure to review Crypto.com's terms and conditions, as well as any applicable fees associated with changing your bank account. It is also a good idea to keep your bank account information up to date and secure to avoid any potential issues or security risks. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your bank account on Crypto.com and continue to use the platform to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices when managing your financial information online.